How to fix Snapchat Snapmap not working or inaccurate location. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can fix Snapchat Snapmap feature not working and giving inaccurate location. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you're opening up Snapchat. You go ahead and simply log into your account, right? So let me also go ahead and do that. And after you log into your account, you allow all the access Snapchat app requires. But then when you basically just go to the Snapmap page over here, it simply gives you the option to enable location. And if you don't enable location, most of the times your Snapchat application is going to get the wrong location. Now to enable location, what you want to do is simply swipe down and then just make sure to turn on location on your phone first. So if you don't turn on location on your phone, the app will also not be able to access it. Make sure it is enabled in phone. Then just go to this settings icon here and then just tap this option called enable location and just select allow while using the application. This way Snapchat map will most likely give you a correct location. If this doesn't help, what I want you to do is long press the Snapchat app icon here, tap the I button, then you simply want to go to this option called permissions. Just look for the location permission and make sure it is set to allow all the time if you would like that, or you can set to allow while using the app. So either you have to select allow while using the app or allow all the time, because if you select ask every time and don't allow, Snapchat will not be able to access your accurate location. So this way you can fix Snapmap not working or giving you inaccurate location. There are also other fixes, such as you can try to update the application and so on. So hope this video helped you. As if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.